Ghislaine Maxwell is the subject of a new documentary, Chasing Ghislaine, streaming on Discovery+.
She is the exact opposite of the kind of woman that Jeffrey typically liked, in that she didn't need to be molded by him at all. She was far more worldly. She had a much more extensive Rolodex than he did.
Journalist Vicky Ward, who first profiled Jeffrey Epstein for Vanity Fair in 2002, describes Maxwell as an enigma.
She was in many ways a gateway to this very shadowy world of men that Jeffrey Epstein managed to be so powerful in.
Federal prosecutors say Maxwell recruited and groomed Epstein's female victims to participate in a sex trafficking operation Epstein allegedly ran. Investigators say some of the victims were as young as 14.
The idea of a privileged, educated woman doing this to other female children is just sort of unspeakably horrifying.
Epstein killed himself in a Manhattan jail complex in 2019 while awaiting trial on sex trafficking charges.
It's really interesting to note how many important, powerful names of men have emerged since his death as being associated with him.
Maxwell, a British socialite, has pleaded not guilty.
One of the defense arguments that they tried to make, right, that the judge ultimately disallowed, was that the prosecution is going after Maxwell because they couldn't go after Epstein, right? And so that's going to be a big part of this case.
Ward says the big question is whether the defense will put Maxwell on the stand.
She is a very compelling performer. I mean, I know this because, I ran into her over the years at various New York events. She is extraordinarily persuasive.
If found guilty, 59-year-old Maxwell could face decades in prison. Clodagh McGowan, New York 1.